Ever wondered if our transportation systems are as efficient as they could be? As we navigate our way through the 21st century, it's clear that our transportation industry is at a crossroads. Every day, millions of us face the trials of traffic congestion, the inefficiencies of outdated systems, and the environmental impact of carbon emissions. Our roads are clogged with cars, while our public transport systems struggle to keep pace with increasing demand. Inefficiencies in logistics lead to wasted time, effort, and fuel. And let's not forget the elephant in the room. The carbon footprint of our transportation choices is contributing significantly to climate change. Innovation isn't just a buzzword here, it's a necessity. We need to rethink how we move, how we deliver, and how we commute. We need to infuse intelligence into our transportation systems, making them smarter, greener, and more efficient. What if we could make our transportation systems smarter and more efficient? Enter the concept of task unification, a fundamental pillar of systematic inventive thinking. This innovative approach is all about giving an additional job to an already existing resource. It's like asking your coffee mug to not just hold your caffeine fix, but also keep it warm for longer. Task unification is a powerful tool in the hands of innovators, as it challenges the status quo and encourages out-of-the-box thinking. It's like a master key, unlocking a world of possibilities in various industries. From healthcare to technology, from retail to education, task unification has been instrumental in solving complex problems, creating value, and driving progress. It's a simple yet potent thought process. Find a resource, assign it an extra task, and voila! You've innovated. It's about making the most of what we already have, rather than constantly seeking new resources. Imagine the potential if we applied task unification to the transportation industry. A smarter, more efficient transportation system is not a far-fetched dream. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence and real-time data analysis fuse with traditional traffic management systems. This is task unification in action within the transportation industry. Task unification is about taking an existing resource and assigning it an additional job, one that was previously handled by another resource or was not done at all. In this case, we're integrating artificial intelligence into our traffic systems. These intelligent systems can analyze real-time data, predict traffic patterns, and adjust signals accordingly. This results in a smoother traffic flow, reduced congestion, and a safer environment for all road users. The benefits are clear. Commuters save time, cities reduce pollution, and we all experience less stress. This is the power of task unification. It's about finding innovative solutions within the resources we already have. This is just one example of how task unification can revolutionize our transportation systems. So, what does this all mean for our future journeys? Let's distill the essence of our discussion. The transportation industry stands at the cusp of a revolution, thanks to the power of task unification. By merging artificial intelligence with real-time data analysis, we are not just adding a layer of technology to our traffic management systems. We are fundamentally transforming them, making them smarter, more responsive, and ultimately more efficient. The potential is immense. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a relic of the past, where every journey is optimized for speed and safety. This is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality that task unification can help us achieve. We've just begun to scratch the surface of what's possible. As we delve deeper, the possibilities are boundless. Innovation is not just about new ideas, but also about thinking differently about the resources we already have. And task unification provides us the framework to do just that.